welcome back. Today we're going to see how much money I have in these piggy banks. Tiago's tips. We're going to take all the money out of these piggy banks and we're going to take them to a machine. I think it's very quicker to take the money out than it is to put the money in. Get it? Because the money in takes more harder because you have to do it by hand. But if you do it like by law, we're just falling, 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 falling. We're gonna take all these coins to a machine called CoinStar. The CoinStar machine is at the supermarket. So we're gonna go there after we take all these coins out. All right, let's get started. Let's see how much we have. We already have some coins in the box. Now we're gonna take them out of the piggy bank and put them in here. These coins are from Mexico. That's cool, right? This is not Mexico, it's New Jersey. This is fake money. Paper money. Okay, we got a box full of coins. Now we're ready to go. How much do you think it's gonna be in there? I don't know. Maybe 100, 1,000, a million, a quadrillion?
I'm gonna say $137.
Okay, that's a good guess.
That's a good guess.
I'm gonna say $160.
I would say $120.
Okay.
How much do you think is in this box? Take a guess. We're about to find out. This is a penny worth 1 cent. This is a nickel worth 5 cents. This is a dime worth 10 cents. This is a quarter worth 25 cents. A dollar coin. And it's worth $1. Okay, this is the coin machine that I was talking about. Now let's see how much money I have in this box.
Are you ready?
Yeah!
All right, let's go. It's telling you how many pennies you have, how many nickels you have, how many dimes and quarters and half dollars. Okay. We have about $15 now.
Well, you gotta put it in more.
Moving it down. Hold it down with your hand. Hold it down. Oh, you better watch out with your hand. You're going to get a spin. Watch the landing. Oh, man. It's like $108 already. 109, 110, 11, 112, 115, Yeah, I recognize some of them.
It's recognized now. We have 608 pennies, 227 nickels, 397 dimes, 566 quarters, and $7 coins, and all add up to $177.64. All done. Where the dollars are going?
Say, wait while we catch up.
This is all my money?
Yeah, you're gonna give it to the cashier. She's gonna give you your money, okay?
Oh, okay. Now we're gonna take this voucher to the cashier. Where do I put this? That's all the money?
Take the change off. Take the money.
Okay.
Say thank you.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
And this is the money that I got. $177.64. Now we can start putting coins in our piggy bank again. Thanks for watching. Adios, amigos. Make sure to click the subscribe button.